What's up, Ro Gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are new here, do hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and the notification bell so you can get all the new latest videos and you never miss an updated video. Okay, so jumping right into the video, I'm going to be doing a DIY how to pluck your frontal. So I'm just going to be taking my water bottle. I'm going to spray the front of the baby hairs down and I'm going to comb it back. So now I'm just going to go straight across the front. I'm not going to part anything as of yet, and I'm just going to take my tweezers and tweeze straight across the front, guys. You want to do this step because it makes the hair look super natural, trust me. Now I'm gonna go across with my tweezer for a second time, and I'm just going to pluck out the very front of the hairline. Now I'm just going to take my spray bottle. I'm going to spray some water in the front of the hair, and I'm going to be parting the hair for the first time. I usually go 3 rows back when I pluck, so I pluck in between the 3 rows, so you'll see me doing that in this video. And guys, you can already see how natural the hairline is starting to look. Do you see that? Look at that. If I wanted to just cut the baby hairs, it would be nice, but I feel like it would be too thick in the front, so I'm gonna keep plucking. Some more water and combing the hair back. I'm going to start tweezing my first row. Now guys, I'm not going in a straight line. I am going in like mixed match places. I don't know what to call it, like random spots. I'm just going in random spots or whatever, and I'm just going to be tweezing the hair to make the hairline look super natural, because be for real, no one actually has a straight hairline. I'm going to be tweezing the last little bit of the first row, and I'm going to take my spray bottle and spray the hair down again. Now mind you guys, the hair, it dries pretty quickly, so you're gonna have to keep taking your spray bottle to wet the hair. Now what you'll see me doing here is I'm going to go ahead and start parting that second row for plucking. Now going into that second row and starting our tweezing process. You guys, you're going to want to follow this step because it's going to look so beautiful when it's all tweezed. But let's not ignore the fact about how full my hair is. Like, look at that. Like, do you see this shit? Oh my God. Now I am going to be parting that last row. This is my third row for me to start plucking the hair. I'm just looking at, I did a really amazing job bleaching the knots on this frontal. Like, this is so nice. If you guys haven't seen my video on how to bleach a frontal, do go watch that video and I will list it below. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rozay Taylor, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Don't let this video go off and you ain't subscribed to my channel. Okay. Now I am going to be doing the last little bit of plucking, and you guys are going to love how this comes out. Now I am going to be combing the hair back, and I'm going to be just going into the corners of the hair, like the corners of the forehead, and I'm just going to be plucking that area a little bit, because you know sometimes we have those little grooves where, you know, it looks like our hair is pulled back a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in and add that to make it look really, really natural. And here I am just showing you guys how natural the hairline looks. That looks like so freaking amazing. Like, yes, and don't forget, my Instagram is in the bottom corner. Go ahead and follow me on IG, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and like this video. And that is all for this look, guys. Thanks for watching. That is amazing. Okay, sis. Period.